Nissan and Infiniti are gearing up for the future with a bold vision. Next-generation EVs, hybrids, and cutting-edge technology are on the horizon. Stay tuned as we break down their game-changing plans for 2025 and beyond. The all-new Nissan LEAF is getting a revolutionary makeover. One of the world's best-selling EVs is transforming into a sleek and spacious crossover, built on the CMF-EV platform. Expect a panoramic moonroof, 19-inch alloy wheels, and a longer range. Plus, in North America, it will feature Tesla Supercharger compatibility. More details coming mid-2025. Nissan's next-generation e-Power system is here. The latest version improves fuel efficiency by 15% at high speeds, with a new 1.5L dedicated engine and advanced noise reduction for a smoother, quieter ride. Look for it in the Nissan Qashqai, Rogue, and an upcoming large minivan in Japan. Now let's talk global expansion. Nissan and Infiniti are rolling out new models tailored to specific markets. Here's what's coming near you. In North America, Nissan is bringing over 10 new models, including the redesigned LEAF, Rogue PHEV, and a rugged adventure-focused electric SUV made in Mississippi. Meanwhile, Infiniti introduces the stylish QX65 Coupe crossover and an all-electric SUV inspired by the Vision QC concept. Latin America gets the expanded Versa lineup, the new Frontier pickup, and a refreshed Infiniti QX60, while X-Trail e-Power gains traction in the region. Europe is seeing a major EV push. The Micra EV, new LEAF, and Qashqai e-Power debut in FY25, followed by the stylish Juke EV in FY26, inspired by the Hyperpunk concept. Australia and New Zealand are getting the Nissan Ariya in FY25, followed by the all-new Patrol, an advanced one-ton pickup, and the third-gen LEAF EV in FY26. In the Middle East, performance meets luxury with the Z Nismo, an updated QX60, and the new QX80 Sport package. Infiniti's all-new QX65 also makes its grand entrance. India is set for growth with a locally manufactured MPV in FY25 and a 5-seat compact SUV in FY26, targeting 100,000 annual domestic and export units. Africa will see the Nissan Magnite expand into left-hand drive markets, while a new 5-seat SUV and the legendary Patrol SUV are set to launch across key regions. Nissan and Infiniti are committed to shaping the future of mobility. With electrification, efficiency, and innovation at their core, they're taking bold steps to redefine the driving experience. Stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest in automotive news and innovation.